Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Tesla's most anticipated EV, the 2026 Tesla Model 2. Affordable, futuristic, and full of innovation. Let's find out if it really is the best electric car for the masses. Starting at the front, just look at the aggressive yet minimalist styling. The headlights are super sleek with sharp LED signatures that make the Model 2 look bold on the road. The front bumper is shaped for maximum aerodynamics, with subtle air intakes and sleek lines that flow into the hood. You can see that Tesla put a lot of thought into keeping the drag coefficient as low as possible while still giving off a sports car vibe. Moving to the side, the Model 2 maintains Tesla's signature coupe-like silhouette. It's compact yet sporty, with flush door handles and a nearly frameless window design. Blacked-out pillars and a panoramic glass roof add to the open feel. The wheels are also aerodynamic, helping to maximize fuel mileage. This side view makes it clear. The Model 2 isn't just about being practical. It wants to look good while saving the planet. Now let's get to the rear. And wow, what a bold statement. That full-width LED light bar is striking and modern. The Tesla lettering is illuminated, making it unmistakable at night. The diffuser and bumper design look performance-inspired, giving this little EV a very muscular stance from the rear. It's clean, futuristic, and you can tell that Tesla's designers made sure it looked as good on the move as it did on the move. Under the hood, technically, under the floor, you have Tesla's next-generation battery architecture. The Model 2 comes with either a single or dual motor setup. Rumor has it, it'll go 0 to 60 in around 5.5 seconds. Impressive for an affordable EV. Range? Tesla promises over 250 miles on a single charge, thanks to their new lithium iron phosphate cells, which are cheaper and more durable. Plus, you'll get access to Tesla's ever-expanding supercharger network, making long road trips stress-free. And look at the interior, pure Tesla minimalism. The dashboard is dominated by a large central touchscreen, which controls everything from navigation to climate. The steering wheel looks futuristic yet practical, and ambient lighting adds a premium feel. The seats feel supportive, wrapped in sustainable vegan leather. Even with its compact size, the panoramic roof and clever design make the cabin feel airy and spacious. Tesla's software updates and autopilot system complete an interior that feels like it's from the future. So is the 2026 Tesla Model 2 the game changer it promises to be? With its striking design, solid range, advanced technology, and a price tag that finally makes Tesla ownership affordable, I think so. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this review. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth scoop on the world's coolest electric vehicles.